Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pear drop martini. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need pear vodka, simple syrup, fresh pear, and lemon juice. Alright, I'm going to start by rimming the glass with sugar. Next, I'm going to add pear chunks into a mixing glass, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and we're going to muddle it. Next, I'm going to add ice. Three-quarters of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. And 2 ounces of pear vodka. Ready to shake it? And I'm gonna double strain it. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, this is so good. I can definitely taste the fresh pear in here and some notes of the vodka and a little bit sour from the lemon juice. I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the pear drop martini. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up, and if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!